What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm here with my friends. Hello. And I don't want to show his face, but hi.
And we are gonna show some fidgets. Fidgets.
This one is a superhero one.
Look at this one.
This one is a Captain America one. Just to make sure you guys can see it. This one's
rainbow. It's special edition.
This one is Batman. Yep. Superhero. I can hold this better.
This one's glow in the dark.
Light glow in the dark.
And this one is a regular one, but with all colors. Yeah.
This one's broken, so we can't really show this one.
We can't show it. They were just spinning.
And then
this one is a wooden one that somebody made.
Then we got
Captain America dude.
And this one. But this one's broken.
This one is the teeniest one that I have.
Yeah, but it's broken.
And let me show it. I'm trying to show it. Look how tiny that thing is. Alright, now we're gonna show you it. Yeah. Every fidget spinner
in my hand.
You want to show this?
Just show this is actually a big wheel.
Yeah.
And we're gonna end the video here. Make sure watching. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you next time.
Bye.
Peace out.